Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting out. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up in your mentions, musta heard around. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them break it down. ISO Wendy's in your town, don't forget the dollar sign. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good, tell them get in line. Hold it down, came up from the underground. How that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound? Yeah, that sound good. Sounds good, how that sound? Yeah, that sound good. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now.
Hey, my loves, it's your girl, Lovely Angel Lady. L to the A to the L. Hey, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Yes, y'all, we went big and curly. I have a treat for y'all today. Y'all have been loving up these wig reviews with these headband wigs and half wigs. So your girl got a headband wig for you, girl. Yeah. So if you would like to get the deets on sis right here, girl, don't you go nowhere. Stay right there in your seat. So without further ado, I have to give you a chance to make it official and become one of LAL's lovelies. Yes, one of my lovelies because me love you like that. Okay, child? So go ahead, pause just for a moment. I promise it won't take long. And it's free, child. Yes, it don't cost you nothing. Okay? Press that subscribe button and you are officially one of your girl's lovelies. And also don't forget to tap that alert bell. That way you will know every time your girl uploads a gem, every time your girl has something good for you. Okay? Alright, my loves. So we're gonna get into sis right here. Okay? Okay, so this chica that we are checking out today is from Vigorous Wigs on Amazon. Another Amazon find, another affordable synthetic Amazon find. But this one's for the girls that love the natural, the big, froey, natural curls type, protective styles. This one is for you, chicas. Okay, so yeah, y'all. Curly Sue is in the building. Shirley Temple is in the house. Okay. Yeah, but I love the bounce of the curls. I did trim just a little, bit so it can layer a little bit and kind of frame my face a little more. Because, otherwise I look like I was like 5. And we don't want to look like we're 5. So, y'all. This headband is also from Amazon. I will link everything below. Always check the description box because your girl puts all the good stuff down there for y'all, okay? Whether it be links, any type of discounts, codes, whatever, always check down there, okay? And then also my girl Carrie, she kind of put me onto these lashes. So I've had them for a while, but I finally gave them a go, okay? Oh, yeah. Finally gave the lashes a go, but they're nice and feathery. So, yeah, I thought, just the whole kind of like 70s vibe. This headband is like, I did another headband wig and I wear a black one. It came in a pack of 3, y'all. And it's kind of like a velour material, kind of feels like velvet. Velour is like more affordable than velvet, of course. So, we can look like $1 million without what? Going broke. Without breaking the bank. No. So y'all, your girl LAL is trying to keep y'all cute, but affordably, so you can spend your good money on other things, Go on vacation when COVID is no longer a thing, obviously. Child. And whew, it just didn't went a lot further than your girl expected ever for it to go. with this virus. But y'all, and here in Vegas, y'all, it was snowing in the Summerlin area. So like if you're like south, like on the south side of town, southwest, I guess. I heard like most of those areas got quite a bit of snow. Over where I'm at, not so much, but it was freezing freaking cold. That's what we got. It was just wet, rainy, and cold. We had like a winter weather advisory like all day yesterday and the night prior. And I think it ended like at 10 o'clock this morning. So, yeah, but that's my story. But y'all, let me tell you about this girl from Vigorous Wigs on Amazon. So if you don't have Amazon Prime, cop that. Cop that. Why? Because if you can get your wigs through Amazon Prime, anything that qualifies for it, you can receive in as quick as 2 days. Booyah! Y'all remember that? Booyah! But let me show you. So this is what she looked like on the model that they have on the page, Vigorous Wigs on Amazon. And she's $25.99 currently $25.99. Remember, prices are always subject to change. They ain't got to keep the price the same, y'all. You know, supply and demand, pretty much how it works. Right now there are 13 left in stock, so you better go cop you one if you like curly hair. So I don't know how long she's gonna last, but being how well put together the curls are, y'all, these curls got some spring. They do shred a little bit when you do try to cut the hair. I didn't cut a whole lot off. Let me show y'all. This is the full amount that I chopped off just to layer up and just around here a little bit. But if y'all gonna like, you know, copy some cute headbands and stuff like that, you ain't got to really worry about that. I did take the little, you know, considering that she is a headband wig, she does come with that black headband that comes around there. I don't know, to me they don't look, it looks better even if you were to take a black headband and put over that one, just to, you know, kind of bring it to life and make it stand out a little bit more. So I usually push those back or whatever. They're just comfortable though. And then I started the comb. Y'all know I have a TWA, my hair is curly and short. So I have my edges already done when I started styling, y'all will see. But yeah, y'all, so I had my edges done, but when I put the combs in, I put them kind of as far back as I could put it. I had my wig cap pushed all the way back, and I did wear a black one today because, y'all, this ain't no lace front, so it's not, the cap ain't showing through no way. I just put that on pretty much to make my hair kind of stay out the way because it's curly and just to protect my hair while I have on a wig. But other than that, you know, y'all, this headband also came from Amazon. Like I said, I'll drop the link below. Earrings, these nice big earrings. I'm really feeling these 70s vibes today, y'all. But this headband has pearls, and then these, like, the earrings are like square. They're gigantic, y'all. They kind of look like diamonds the way they hang, but I got these from Shein. They are huge. They're gold. They are so cute, and they're not as heavy as I would think they are. I can definitely feel that they're there, but it doesn't feel like my ear is gonna like literally fall off, because me don't like that. No me gusta. No. But y'all, and these necklaces also from Shein. It's a set of 3. This one right here is kind of looking like a diamond necklace. This is rhinestones, of course. This one right here, looking like we straight up in the NO, straight up in New Orleans. And kind of this one right here reminds me of Louisiana too. How we used to rock our jewelry down there when I was living in the boot. Y'all don't know what I done got on my phone. Probably some gel or something. I have no idea. Ooh, don't tell nobody. But anyway, y'all. So she is around $25. Okay, very affordable. And y'all, with these nails, I gotta actually punch the code in my phone. I can't just, you know, do the fingerprint because my nails are too dang long. These nails I also got from Amazon, y'all. I cannot wait though until COVID is gone. Rona, you getting on my nerves, child. I'm trying to get my nails did. I need my nails done, y'all. I miss going to the shop because, you know, they're like, they last longer. They be cute. You know, you ain't got to worry about blowing something on every couple weeks and whatnot. But, you know, we making do. You heard me? We making do. But y'all, I'm going to go ahead and let y'all look at how I styled her just so you can see. The point of me kind of showing y'all these is to show y'all, number one, it's affordable. You ain't gotta have no lace on to be cute if you don't wanna, especially with it being kind of difficult with shipping and stuff right now. So going through Amazon has been so much, you know, less of a headache. It's taken longer to get other wigs from companies, but you know, I love my wigs, so you know, I go for what I know. But I'm trying to, you know, make it a little easier for y'all. So yeah, but this is the look that I went with today. Yeah, I really love how springy the curls are, and I love like the way I did my edges. I use a little tiny, you know, short black comb like that. But I have to, y'all, I have to use this edge control. This is Eco Professional 48-Hour Extreme Hold Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil by Eco. It's play and stay 48-hour control. But y'all, that alone does not hold my edges down. And they don't stay, like, my hair is so curly. But yeah, I promise y'all I'm going to be bringing y'all some more natural hair stuff soon. My hair is super short, so you know, I'll do what I can for all the naturalistas out there, but I know y'all probably missed those videos. We're gonna do some more Let's Talk discussions, some more Get Ready With Me videos as well, so y'all be on the watch out for those. I'm about to go on the other side just so I can chat it up with y'all. I got something I wanted to tell y'all. I promised y'all last week, so I'm coming to let you know right now. You heard me? So tune into that other video, okay? So yeah, y'all, but this is pretty much how we rolling. And if you had questions about the brows and stuff like that, remember last week, y'all, I did put up a video at the very end of the week, like I think it was like Sunday. So check that out if you wanted to know how I be doing these like brows. You see how I make the hair stand up. Sometimes I do them wispier than other times, but today I, you know, try to keep them somewhat, you know, not too wild, considering how it was going to be rocking my hair and everything. But MG has been an annoying pain in my aspirin, and so I've been trying to make it do what it do, like I can, the best I can. But yeah, y'all, so I mean, I just pretty much kept it simple. Give me some wing liner, you know. This is what we working with today. But let me show y'all. So this is the front of this cheek, and she is synthetic. Right side, center again, left side, back. All right. So y'all can see her length. So if I pulled the hair, it come like that, but she's so curly, that don't matter, child, okay? But yeah, girls, so hopefully y'all found this video helpful. Check out my other video if you want to know what I wanted to talk to y'all about. Because y'all so loyal, you heard me. I had to kind of come have a little powwow, have a little chit chat with y'all. And yeah, mis amores, I'm gonna let y'all gizzo. So check out how I styled this chick.
So shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay it's even more like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out. 'Cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Night, 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 night. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight.
Alright, so now that y'all saw how quick and easy it was, y'all see that your girl is telling you the truth, okay? I'm telling you the truth. I will not set you up for the okie doke, okay? No, boo. So I got you. We here. You and me and you, we are here together, okay? So, alright y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Go check out the other one so you can see the news that I have to tell you. If you try this, girl, y'all send me some pictures, tag me up, go chat with me, go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter. I'm not on Twitter very much, but I'm on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I'm trying to think. That's pretty much it, and YouTube, of course. So y'all know where to find me. Go join my group if you have not joined my group, boos, okay? Alright, my loves. I'm gonna see you really, really soon. Later, my loves. Bye.
It's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.